going to be talking about now Taurine supplements. Taurine. I suppose it's called Taurine. But here's the thing. Recently, there have been people running around touting this as some kind of a one more longevity thing. My dad lived to 95, my mom lived to 85, and my doctors tell me that for good or for bad, I'm probably going to live to 105. So my longevity is kind of locked in. All of that said, you get to an age where, you just want to try anything. And taurine is just one more pill a day for me to take. Really, that's it. The reason I picked this particular bottle is because it's a 250 dose bottle, which means that it'll take me through about 2/3 of the year, this one bottle. So it's a good value. For what I gave up for it, I got something back. And always, always I look for a good company with a good reputation, and this company has that. Pull the tab, open her up. Oh, safety sealed on the inside. Take out one. It's a big capsule. It's a 1,000 milligram capsule. So there, now you can kind of compare it with the size of my head. So here we go. I feel like I'm going to live longer already, right? So in 20 or 30 years, I'll know if this stuff works. In the meantime, like everybody else at the age of 70, I'll try anything. So that's really why I am trying now Taurine. I think that the product from the vendor is a good value. I'm glad that I spent my money on it, and I hope you enjoyed watching me make fun of myself today. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to leave me a comment. And whatever you do, don't forget to have a wonderful day while you guys are out there having a wonderful life.